This looks like a kidnapping. This is called a right-of-way. Can't really bring a car down here. Ooh, we got some nice tiling going on here. Very nice. And from you saw from the previous footage, there was a young lady blindfolded in the front seat of a car. An obvious kidnapping that we caught here on My Philippine Dreams on video. So, we don't know what's gonna happen with that. We don't know what authorities to report that to, but for some reason we're going down this muddy right-of-way to investigate. Welcome to Merlon's private pool. Enjoy, relax, and have fun with us. May all who enter as guests leave as friends. And for some reason there's a Stegosaurus right around the corner. Alright, so this is the site of Andrea's debut, or as they say here in the Philippines, debut. And it's nice, I got a little private pool here. Got some tables set up. Hopefully the weather's gonna cooperate because it's been raining, spitting all day. My allergies are kicking my butt, so I don't know how good this vlog is gonna be. We'll just do the best we can. Zoe's all dressed up. Wow, everybody's all dressed up. Look at this. Looking beautiful. Wow.
Leveled up.
Leveled up.
Yeah, from time to time.
Meanwhile, I'm wearing my usual, what is it called?
Attire.
Cargo shorts and t-shirt. Oh, a truck made it down. Ah. Okay, so this is how this is set up. All the guests are going to be sitting here under canopies. And Andrea, who again, it's her debut, she's going to be sitting all by herself on that chair over there with no overhead cover. And the caterers are here. And it looks like this woman has a kimono on, which is interesting. And it's humid. I'd like to jump in this pool right now.
Zoe! Zoe, wow!
That's such a fake smile.
Smile! Show off your teeth!
Oh.
You're so cute!
Ooh, hi. We got tasty comestibles. Yum, yum, yum. Num, 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 num. I wonder if this is smoke. I think it's a smoke launcher. There's actually a fire extinguisher down there.
Ready? In a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Magnificent venue for this morning. Merlin's Place, happy 20th birthday, Andrea. Everybody, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Alright, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our beautiful venue for this morning from Merlin's Place. As we celebrate the 20th birthday of Andrea. Of course, together with us this morning, the family, friends, classmates, batchmates, schoolmates, and seatmates. Alright, so, Andrea, happy birthday to our resident Lava Girl. In the short time we've known you, we can already say that you're such a special person, full of light and love. We can see how much you care for others, how selfless you are, and how happy you make the people around you feel. Happy birthday from your marine bio and environmental science family. Thank you so much, Joaquin. And now, this next
'Cause she's gonna be a marine biologist.
Extra special because we'll be hearing a message coming from the mother of our celebrator, Andrea, other than Leonie Harrington. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Surprise! Yeah, happy birthday, the lovely brother. It's very, very fast. You know, before you're just a toddler and now you're a 20-year-old and a matured lady. I wish you more success and more salong-salong under the water. Okay? My boo. Happy birthday, love you. That is happy to see you.
And now it's time to eat. Zoe's still a little bit overwhelmed. It's a Filipino buffet. It's the usual mix of the usual stuff, but they got lasagna, so I'm checking that out. Bunch of beef. And then afterwards, because it's hot, it's humid today, we're gonna jump into the pool. And Zoe's got her new kickboard. She's got a kickboard, which is a backrest for me right now. Enjoy.
All it goes through the circle, fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop. I wonder. Age limit 25%. Attire 50% for a total of 115%. Alright, so of course that I interviewed in Agmay, no? Now ba yung apas? Ma'am, no. I will ask you if you can add some more. Makonsensya ka, barkada ba nini mo? At least kung makabayad ka, ani, makatabang ka silang mga balayran sa kinabuhi. Alright, is there any other nomination? Andrea, you are one of the members of the panel, the board of judges, and the rest is your backup for the tabulation. That's what they will tabulate. All right. So, good morning, madam. What's your name?
My name is Juliet Gonzalez.
Mrs. Gonzalez, shall I say, if you don't mind, how young are you?
I'm vintage, 50.
50, celebrating your golden years, but you look younger than your age. And it gives you the advantage among the four lovely candidates. So what can you tell them, or a piece of advice, as they will reach your age? Alam pa na ini. Ay, kung ginawa. Kung ako ang hikap sa inyo, kung nakadawat ko babae, hikap ko sa ako, wala rin, ako yung hikap sa inyo. Wala yun, sexual abuse. Pero wala ko sa hikap sa inyo, matulog ka, magsalikod-likod, magsalikod. Feel ako, kung nag-yun nila. Kaya, mulay, tagaan sa ka, ma'am. Sa kadamang ka, tagaan. Dumaguete. Yung partner. What's the name? Hi, Nat. Need. Do you need someone else? I can be a third party. In third party, it's very happy because it's a party. Dalawang katuig, ma'am.
3 years.
3 years and counting. You're beautiful, baby.
Yes, Zoe.
Hi, Zoe. You look like my baby too. Zoe. Nasuhi. Nazoe. Alright. So ato sila pa musican. Parang pahon na itong magamay diri. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful wife of a very handsome man enjoying the pool, Roland's place, Mr. Nate, who needs no one but the only one, Chichay. Ladies and gentlemen, wala pa guys! Wala sa dito! Huwag ba tanong mga Diyos? Ikaw tagadaling pa sa mga. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but not the least candidate for this beautiful afternoon. She's wearing a beautiful Sunday dress, weighing 111 pounds, wins, 5 wins, 3 lose. Boxing day. Candidate number 5. Candidate number 5 is sponsored by Habal Drivers Association, Philippine Drivers Association, and Foot Drivers Association, and sponsored by Novo, Unita, and Tops and Bottoms. That's it, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll just make it short. I just want to say thank you very much to all of you. I didn't really expect this, really. My mom, thank you. Thank you for surprising me. And my sister. And my dad. Over here.
Yeah, I'm happy.
It's happy. To my friends, thank you. It really meant a lot to me. All of you who came.
Give her a hug.
I love you guys. Thank you. That's all.
Alright, so kindly pull up the topper. Happy birthday! Surprise waiting for you in go! Inaya. Bye. Nagkayaw-yaw si Bye.
Bye sila. Hoy! Dili pa pinatay. If anak.
Oh, racer kay Domingo ron.
Tabangan si kasi. Tunga ka. Oh, bye tira ka.
5 million GBI after all.
Sige, pag ngay, kaunon na ito na ron.
Naputol. Ay, sorry.
Alright, there we go.
Ay, naputol.
More to go.
Tabangan tigag 10% ako.
Wow! That's 800.
Ay.
850.
Kita yung sa isip te, sana ito na, no?
Wow!
Tunga ka diha.
Duha na ka-case kuno sa
Ala!
Congratulations! Once again, happy 20th birthday, Miss Andrea. Had a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a panda set. You remember Kung Fu Panda?
Yeah.
Zoe ripped the head off. Alright, now we get the opening of the presents, and this is coming to an end. Zoe's a little tired from swimming,
Yep.
so we are gonna head out. This is Ned,
Chichoy.
and that's tired Zoe, and that's Andrea, the birthday girl. We'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams.